Good morning student, welcome to your computer class. In previous class we have already discussed about the autofill feature and flash fill. So today we are going to start performing calculation. So Excel is an application that allows us to perform calculation on data. So let us understand how we can perform this calculation. We will study simply mathematical calculation. These are the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in this chapter. So suppose you want to add three number and I want the result. So at first give the equal to sign. After that type the number. Somehow I have typed 54 plus 65 plus 78. So I want to add these three number. So at first give it mandatory to give the equal to sign, this equal to sign, and after that type the number, then give plus sign, then again number. If how much you want to do the sum, so you will give the numbers and after that press on enter button and it will display the sum of that number. So the other mathematical operations also been done with this process. So somehow I want to multiply, so at first give the equal to sign. After I have given one number, then into sign 6, then 5, then into 2. So when we press on enter button, it will display the value, the result of that multiplication. So using this type of things we can do the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also we can enter the simple formula. How we can enter the simple formula? So somehow I have typed something in this cell. There is 23 and this is the cell number is H26. The same no I have typed it here is the A31. So 54, this is the cell reference of A31. So I have typed the number in A31 is 54, then 47, after that 58. So somehow I want the value of total value of this number in this cell, that is A34. So I have to write the formula here to get the value. So at first give equal to sign, then give the cell reference. What is the cell reference? Here is the cell reference is A31, that when you will type A31, this type of mark will appear in that particular cell that you have typed there. Then press the plus sign, that means you want to add, then A32, this is the another cell reference I want to add here. Sorry, 32, I want to add there, and again plus sign I want to add the another number, so A33. So these will appear, these will indicate that you have used that cell references in your formula to add them. So I have used this and I have used the formula to do the sum of that numbers, and when I have typed it, when I will press on that and it will appear, it will give the total value of that numbers in A34 cell, because I have typed the formula in A34 cell. So when we select on this A34 cell, the formula will appear in formula bar. Here it is the formula bar. I have already said that it is the formula bar in previous chapters. So here the the formula will appear in formula bar and cell reference will appear in here. So this type of formula we can also use. Now I am doing a subtraction for your better understanding. So I have typed the value 100 in A30. Okay, A30, this is the cell reference A30. You can see D30, sorry, D30. You have name box, name box will display your cell reference D30. So in D30 I have typed 100 and formula box have displayed the that I have entered in that cell, and then I want to subtract 52 from 100 which is typed in D31. So I want the result in D33, and that will be the equal to, so I have to put the formula here. So I have put the equal to sign. After that I will give the cell reference. What will be the cell reference? A30, then minus sign, A30 then minus sign, sorry, not A30, it is D30 then minus sign, D31. So you will see that it will highlight the cell you are operating. So D30 minus D31, when we press on enter button, and it will display the exact value of that operation, that subtraction. So this is the process by which we can using the formula we can do some mathematical operations. We can also do multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication, somehow I have typed 4 in F31 and F32 I have typed 5. So I want the result in A33. So equal to sign A31 into, sorry, F31 into F32. So when we press on F31 and F32 with an into sign, then if we press on enter button, it will display the result of that operation. So by this process we can do the addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication, also division. So I am showing you another operation of division. So I am giving the values at C32, it is 50, and I am dividing 50 with 10, which is typed in A33, and I want the value in A34. So I have selected the cell, and then I am typing equals to, the cell references is C32 divided by C33. Okay, so when we will click on this and press enter, then the result will be displayed. So in this manner we can do mathematical operations using Excel 2013. Here is also some, so a formula in Excel always starts with the equal sign. It is mandatory that formula always start with equal sign, and to redo an action, the shortcut key is Ctrl+Y or press F4. To redo, we can press Ctrl+Y, Control Y. So it will be redo. Okay, undo. This is shortcut key of redo is given in your book, and you can also press F4. So if we undo this, to redo I have press Ctrl+Y, and you will see again press Ctrl+Y, it's redo. So this is the shortcut key for Excel 2013 of redo button. and also you can also press F4 button here. So this chapter is completed. So if you have any doubt about this Excel 2000 editing in worksheet, so you can ask me. In next day we will discuss about the exercise question answer. Thank you.